What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to submit your website sitemap to Yandex Webmaster Tools to make your site appears and all your pages, posts, products and contents ranks on this search engine. First thing, you need to go to Yandex Webmaster Tools, go to this first result, webmaster.yandex.com. After doing your login, you're going to be able to see a page almost like this one after including your site. Remember that to include your site, I have made a tutorial explaining how to do this, and I have made a tutorial explaining how to find or how to create your website sitemap, okay? After this, or before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After, go to our website sitemap, copy the URL, the entire URL. Now review into the Yandex Webmaster dashboard, the left side of menus, and go to indexing. Once on indexing, we have cross statistics, searchable page, site structure, all pages, check, important, reindex, sitemap files, tag scroll. So you can go to site structure, or you can go to sitemap files. Once right here, you're going to be able to see a button, add your sitemap file, add the sitemap to index to speed up the site indexing. Before indexing new files, check it. All you have to do is enter the entire URL, including the HTTPS, okay? And here is the Visual sitemap. All you have to do is click on add. Mine was already added, but it takes 1 or 2 weeks to be loaded, okay? But here is the sitemap, and yours gonna looks like the same. You can remove it by clicking to this X icon or re-add one. Normally, after sitemap indexed, even if you update your sitemap by creating new posts, new pages, it's gonna be automatically updated as well. Simple, easy and effective, and you only have to do this one time, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.